Bricky. Bricky. Are you ready to go home? Come on, let's go home. You what? You don't want to go home? Come on, let's go home. Come on. Say, I don't want to go home. You can go down the slide. Come on. You got stuck, huh? Move your foot. Alright, you ready to go home? What?
I'm gonna do it like
Brooklyn. Brooklyn, are you ready to go home? Why not? Come on, let's go home. Don't throw a leaf at me. I'll throw one back. Come on, let's go home. Stop. Come on, let's go home. Quit, you meanie. Brooklyn, stop. 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 Hey, all right, come on, let's go home.
we're digging for something.
Come on, let's go home.
No.
Come on, let's go home.
No.
Come on, let's go home.
I want to go home.
Okay, Miss Attitude, I don't want to go home.
No.
No. Hey, Brooklyn, come on, let's go home. Yeah.
No.
Yeah.
No.
Yeah.
No.
Yeah.
No.
Yeah.
No.
Yeah.
No.
Come on. Let's go home.
I'm going home.
Look, there goes Whitney. Tell her bye. Say bye, Whitney. Ew.
Come home with me. Let's go take a bath.
You want to go take a bath? You want to go take a shower?
No.
Come on, let's go shower. You can go down the slide one more time, and then we'll go home and take a shower, okay?